The story usually goes like this. A new piece of wearable tech launches, everyone gets excited for a week, and then it fades into the background as the next smartwatch or fitness band takes the spotlight. But right now, something completely different is happening. For the first time in years, a brand new category of wearable is breaking through the noise. Not because it's flashy, not because it's packed with apps, but because it's small enough to forget you're even wearing it. That device is the smart ring, and it's quickly becoming one of the biggest surprises in America's wearable market. The shift isn't subtle. Search trends are exploding. Influencers are switching. Athletes and health coaches are recommending them. More US companies are incorporating them into wellness programs. And major tech players are preparing their own versions. Early adopters who try smart rings keep saying the same thing. How did it take this long for someone to get this right? So why are smart rings suddenly emerging as the next big wearable in the US? The answer comes down to a perfect mix of convenience, accuracy, comfort, privacy, and a growing desire for technology that enhances daily life without constantly interrupting it. The first reason is pure practicality. People are tired of bulky wearables. Smartwatches might be powerful, but they're also noticeable. They vibrate throughout the day. They light up during meetings. They feel uncomfortable when you're trying to sleep. And for many users, wearing a watch 24/7 just doesn't feel natural. A smart ring changes that experience completely. It weighs next to nothing. It doesn't demand attention. It doesn't turn your wrist into a screen. It blends into your routine like a simple piece of jewelry. For the millions of Americans who want health tracking without feeling like they're attached to another digital device, rings are becoming the ideal middle ground. The second reason smart rings are taking off is comfort and all-day wearability. Typing, cooking, weightlifting, cleaning, running. A ring stays out of the way for all of it. You don't need to adjust it. You don't need to feel it sliding around your wrist. You don't have to worry about screen scratches or bumps. And when it's time to sleep, a ring is far more comfortable than a watch strapped to your wrist. People who could never tolerate sleeping with a smartwatch are suddenly tracking their nights effortlessly with a ring. The third major reason is sleep tracking, a category smart rings dominate. The finger is one of the most accurate places on the body for reading subtle signals, changes in temperature, heart rate patterns, and blood flow. Rings track these naturally through the arteries in your finger. While watches wake you up when they move or light up, rings stay silent and invisible. For American consumers prioritizing sleep health, a smart ring is becoming the most accurate and least intrusive option they've ever had. The fourth reason is health precision. Smart rings often outperform wrist-based devices when it comes to resting heart rate variability, temperature fluctuations, breathing patterns, recovery cues, stress response, sleep staging. The result is better quality insights with less effort. Users aren't just collecting numbers. They're seeing patterns that actually help them understand their overall health and daily readiness. The fifth reason is the rise of the minimalist tech lifestyle. People want their lives to be simpler, not filled with more screens. Notifications, apps, and constant digital noise have created fatigue. Smart rings avoid all of that. They quietly collect information and let you check it whenever you choose. It's technology that supports your life without trying to take center stage. The sixth reason is fitness convenience. Athletes, gym goers, runners, and hikers love smart rings because they don't bounce, shift, or trap sweat. They don't feel heavy during push-ups or bench presses. They don't get caught on jackets or equipment. They simply work. No fuss, no interruptions. The seventh reason is corporate wellness adoption. More workplaces are offering wellness incentives, health programs, and stress tracking tools. But employees don't want to feel monitored or pressured by another glowing device. Rings feel neutral, subtle enough to blend into daily life, but powerful enough to give companies general health trends without invading privacy. The eighth reason is the popularity of subscription-based insights. Smart rings aren't just about counting steps. They analyze trends. They provide readiness scores, recovery recommendations, sleep insights, and early warning signs for illness or burnout. They can help track menstrual cycles, training load, stress patterns, and even fevers before symptoms show. This level of interpretation makes the ring feel more like a personal health coach than a simple tracker. The ninth reason is fashion. Americans care about how their tech looks. Not everyone wants a large device on their wrist all day. A ring can look elegant, minimal, sporty, metallic, or even luxurious depending on the style. It fits into any outfit, any workplace, any event. It's wearable tech that doesn't look like wearable tech, and that's becoming a huge advantage. The 10th reason is privacy and trust. A ring has no screen, no microphone, no camera, no constant app notifications, no GPS tracking. It collects internal body signals, not personal conversations or location data. For privacy-focused Americans, this feels safer. You get the health benefits without the feeling of carrying a surveillance device on your wrist. The 11th reason is major tech validation. When big companies start planning or testing smart rings, it signals confidence in the category. It tells people this isn't a trend. It's the next evolution of wearables. Every time a major brand shows interest, consumer curiosity skyrockets. The 12th reason is the future of digital identity and payments. This is where smart rings become transformative. Some models already support touch-based authentication, NFC payments, and gesture controls. Over the next few years, rings will likely unlock your home, your car, your gym, your office, your computer, and eventually, your digital identity. Wearables are heading toward a future where you don't need to pull out your phone or tap your watch. A simple gesture with your hand will be enough. So what does all this mean for the future of wearable tech in America? It means the next wave won't be about bigger screens. It won't be about louder notifications. It won't be about more apps or more distractions. It won't be about turning your wrist into another smartphone. It will be about invisible technology. Devices that integrate so smoothly into your routine that you forget they're there. Devices that track your health with accuracy. Devices that respect your attention and your privacy. Devices that help you with insights instead of interruptions. Smart rings are the first big step toward that future. And if current momentum continues, they won't just sit alongside smartwatches. They might become the most important wearable many Americans ever own.